Welcome inside the world's largest eco-friendly sanitary pad factory, where raw banana stem,
The world's largest banana stem sanitary pad factory, ensures hygiene and eco-friendliness.
products are from local farms are transformed into life-changing hygiene products. From raw stems arriving at the factory to initial cleaning, every step is carefully controlled. Every fiber is carefully extracted, refined, and prepared for the absorbent core. Layers are combined with precision for comfort, absorbency, and reliability. Sanitized and sealed, ready for distribution worldwide. Begins with freshly collected banana stems sourced directly from farms.
Only high-quality stems move forward for processing.
Stems are trimmed and prepared for thorough cleaning. The stems are washed to remove soil, sap, and impurities. Cleanliness is critical for hygienic product manufacturing. After washing, the stems move directly into fiber extraction. This prepares the material for fiber extraction. High-capacity systems allow large-scale production. Here, valuable fibers are extracted from agricultural waste.
These fibers form the foundation of the sanitary pad. The extracted fibers move onward for refinement.
Extracted fibers are washed again to remove remaining sap and natural residues. This step improves softness and safety for skin contact. Purified fibers are prepared for controlled drying. Moisture levels are carefully reduced to maintain fiber strength. Advanced sensors ensure consistent drying across every batch.
Dry fibers are now ready for refinement.
This process enhances skin-friendly softness. Uniform fiber layers are essential for pad performance. Next, fibers are converted into absorbent pulp.
This pulp forms the absorbent core of the sanitary pad.
Every parameter is tightly controlled for quality.
The pulp moves seamlessly to the forming stage.
Absorbent sheets begin to take shape. Each sheet is carefully formed for maximum absorbency. Sheet thickness is precisely adjusted for optimal absorbency.
Multiple layers are combined to increase fluid retention.
Uniform layering ensures consistent performance.
Heat stabilizes the absorbent structure.
Conditions are continuously monitored. The core is now ready for assembly. A soft, breathable top layer is prepared.
This layer touches the skin directly.
Perfect alignment is critical.
A protective back layer prevents leakage.
Layers are securely bonded together.
This layered design ensures comfort and safety. Pads are cut with precision for consistency. High-speed cutters maintain accuracy. Each pad meets exact design specifications.
Wings are formed for better fit and stability.
Medical-grade adhesive ensures secure placement. The adhesive is protected until use. Every pad is inspected for quality. Only flawless products move forward. Pads undergo sterilization to ensure hygiene and safety. UV light eliminates any microbial contamination. Sanitized pads are ready for individual wrapping.
Each pad is wrapped in hygienic packaging for safety.
Sealed packaging maintains freshness and hygiene. Packaging ensures every pad reaches the user intact. Robots organize pads efficiently into retail packs. Precision ensures consistent quantity and alignment.
Grouped packs are ready for final boxing.
Outer cartons protect the pads during transport.
Automated inspection guarantees proper packaging.
Efficient automation supports high-volume production.
Cartons are sealed to maintain hygiene and integrity.
Accurate labeling ensures traceability and quality assurance.
Each carton is now ready for inspection before shipment. Every carton undergoes final quality verification. Approved cartons proceed to the loading area. Robotic palletizing maximizes efficiency and safety. Every pallet meets strict quality and shipping standards.
Ready for distribution to stores worldwide.
Forklifts transport pallets efficiently to shipping bays.
Secure placement ensures safe transport. trucks carry the products to retail destinations worldwide. This modern facility combines
The world's largest banana stem sanitary pad factory ensures hygiene and eco-friendliness.
products are on their way to consumers everywhere.
And that's how banana stems are transformed into safe, eco-friendly sanitary pads, Currings, from nature to necessity.
From raw stems arriving at the factory to initial cleaning, every step is carefully controlled. Fibers are extracted with precision to ensure durability and absorbency. Drying and refinement transform fibers into soft, hygienic material ready for pads. Refined fibers are converted into absorbent pulp, forming the core of the pad. Consistency and quality are continuously monitored. Pulp is shaped into sheets for layering. Sheets are layered for maximum absorbency and comfort. Precision layering ensures consistent product quality. Each core is carefully prepared for assembly. Protective and breathable layers are added to the absorbent core.
Soft, skin-friendly materials touch the user directly.
Waterproof layers prevent leakage while maintaining comfort. Pads are precisely cut for consistency, tarring and ergonomic design. Wings and adhesive are added for secure placement and comfort.
Each pad meets strict quality specifications.
Hygienic sterilization ensures user safety. Microbial contaminants are eliminated. Pads are individually wrapped for protection. Robots assemble multi-packs efficiently. Automation ensures precision and consistency. Grouped packs are inserted into protective cartons. Sealing preserves hygiene and integrity. Accurate labeling ensures traceability. Cartons advance to final inspection. Every carton is verified before shipment. Only flawless products proceed. Approved cartons are prepared for shipping. Robotic palletizing maximizes safety and efficiency. Each pallet meets strict standards.
And that's how banana stems are transformed into safe, eco-friendly sanitary pads. Portland, from nature to necessity.
Every step ensures hygiene, quality, and sustainability.
From raw banana stems to finished pads, the process is fully automated and eco-friendly. This state-of-the-art facility combines efficiency with sustainability. The world's largest banana stem sanitary pad factory sets new standards in hygiene and eco-conscious production.
Products are on their way to retailers and consumers globally.
From farm to factory, every stage is meticulously controlled.
Automation ensures precision, hygiene, and consistent quality.
From individual pads to pallets, every product is ready for distribution. Precision and care define every pad produced. Soft, skin-friendly materials touch the user directly. Automation and technology work hand in hand to produce high-quality sanitary pads. Products are distributed worldwide efficiently and safely.
Every shipment is secure and traceable.
Sustainable sanitary pads reach consumers globally.
Even waste is repurposed, maintaining an eco-friendly production cycle.
Sustainability is integral to every part of this facility.
Advanced processes reduce environmental impact while maintaining quality.
From farm to finished product, innovation, hygiene, and sustainability drive every step.